Sometimes you have a need for something specific, but can't really find the thing you're looking for online, or you want to flex your design muscles. This time I needed a simple teleprompter and I felt that I could do a simple printable design. Let's see how it turned out and how it is in use. The first thing when designing something is to get an understanding of how it works. For a teleprompter, that is pretty easy. Get a transparent and reflective material, such as glass or acrylic, place it at a 45-degree angle, and then put a camera at the back of it so it sees through the mirror. The magic happens when you put a screen at the bottom of the teleprompter so it can reflect in the mirror. Recording this way makes it possible for you to look into the camera at the same time as you're reading a script. It's something I hope to use more in the future, as I'll try to make more videos. I have one coming up regarding how to size a helmet for wearing, so please consider subscribing so you don't miss it. One issue I have with this is the doubling of the text, making the text hard to read at times. I'm not sure how much more I'll investigate that issue, as I might get another setup in the future. But if you have any information about how to avoid this, please let me know down in the comments. The design started with two simple rectangles, one for the phone and one for the GoPro that I'm using. Extruding those two gives me the representation for the GoPro and for the phone. The next sketch is from the side, showing how I intend to build this up. The slot for the mirror and a general box shape around that, and a little shelf for the GoPro. Extruding this out gives me a start of a box, and the shelf that only needs to go this far. Sketching out the front of the camera here and just removing that from the back part. So if I hide these two helpers, we can see we now have an opening. Another extrusion gives me the side, with a further extrusion giving me the slot to slide in. Right now this isn't very printable because it has some overhangs, so I draft the angles around here to make sure that everything can be printed without supports. When this is done, I just mirror it across the middle and I have my box. Hiding the sketches makes everything a bit easier to see, but this is the general shape of the box. This should then be printed lying on its back like this, then you will have no supports. The files for this design is available on Printables, link in the description, as well as the design files over at Onshape. The design is easily printable without supports, and the only thing you need, besides a camera, is a glass or acrylic plate. That is all for now. See you later.